Hello friends, let's crochet a little pair like this, just smaller. I have yarn out jeans. We need 2 colors and the size of my hook is 1.6. First of all, we make a magic ring . 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the first stitch we make a slip stitch and a chain. Then we make in the next round 6 increases, 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. The first increase, the second, the third, the fourth, and go on till the end of the round. And we have 12 stitches. We make a slip stitch in the first stitch and a chain. Then we make increase in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the second stitch and repeat. Increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet, increase, a single, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 1 single crochet, the second single crochet in the second loop and increase in the third stitch and repeat. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase. And in the end of this round we have 24 stitches, a slip stitch and a chain. And now we crochet without changes several rounds for 24 single crochets. I've made 4 rounds without changes and now we have totally 8 rounds. And now we start to make decreases. In the next round we make 4 decreases. One single crochet, another one, and decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, and repeat till the end of the round. And now we have 20 stitches in the round. And in the next round we crochet without changes 20 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 4 decreases again. Decrease, 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. Decrease, 1, 2, and 3. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make without changes 16 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 15 and 16. A slip stitch and a chain. Then we make decreases. 1, 2 single crochets and decrease. 1, 2 and decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. We have 12 stitches in the round, and now we make several rounds without changes for 12 single crochets. I've made 4 rounds without changes for 12 single crochets in each round, and now we have totally 17 rounds, and it's time to add fiber fill, and we make the last round with 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch and a chain. We leave the long end on the thread and take a needle, and we close the hole for the front sides of the loops of the last round. we make the shape of our fruit. Like this. And pull the thread to the opposite side. I will take a bigger needle. Then we fix the thread and hide it inside the toy. And our pear is almost ready. Let's crochet a brown detail. Make the first stitch and then we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains, and then make slip stitches. 1 slip stitch in each loop. A chain, leave the long end of the thread, take a needle and sew the detail to the pear. And then we make a little embroidery with a small needle. We make several stitches in the center. Like this. And then we fix the threads and hide them inside the toy. And our little fruit is ready. There are many little fruits on my channel. Mushrooms, vegetables, berries. I will write the links in the description to this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.